How to clear chat history on Zoom app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear chat history easy and fast. So first thing, go to Zoom app and then let's go to this channel right here. Now if you want to clear the chat history, all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here, click on this icon, and here you go. Now here down below you will find clear chat history. Click on it and click OK, and your chat will be cleared easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.